In this section of the course, we're going to be discussing block level backups. In block level backups, your system basically stores your files in blocks. Complicated, I know. So we'll go ahead and move on to our next slide to see if we can get a better understanding of block level backups. Now in this scenario, we have file C. And also we have the contents of file C. Your computer basically keeps a record of the files and the addresses of the blocks that make up those files. So here in this scenario, using block level backups, we can reduce the amount of time it takes to back up a file, because we're not backing up the entire file. We're just backing up certain blocks that represent that file. So as you can see here from this demonstration, we have 1A would represent the cow, 1B would represent jump over, 1C and 1D for the and son. So if we use the same example that we used before about the user coming in Monday morning, making a change on a file representing moon, thereby turning on the archive bit for this file, now the system knows, hey, I only have to represent or replace the block 1D instead of replacing the entire folder itself. Now you'll see this more so common, especially with large files, pictures in different scenarios such as that. Now also, when we talk about the files that's distributed on your system and the blocks it contains, once your hard drive has these different files blocked off, they can be randomly dispersed throughout your hard drive. They don't necessarily store all the time in order. So you see how you have the cow and son on the left and jump over and the on the right. Sometimes it's all about what information at the time can be stored and where. So this would also represent the same scenario. Once the user logs in, makes a change to the file, turns on the archive bit, now your hard drive knows, hey, I have to go in and replace block 1D instead of basically backing up an entire file structure. I hope you guys enjoyed this course. Please join our website, ComputerCavalry.com. Leave comments. You can sign in, watch our videos for free. Please leave a review, and I will see you again in the next one.